Imagine an island so small it fits inside Texas, controlling a staggering quarter of the entire planet. How did a tiny, rainy island manage to conquer a staggering 1/4 of the entire planet? To understand this impossible rise to power, we have to look back at how they played the ultimate game of geopolitical chess.
It didn't happen overnight. It started with tiny trading posts, driven by an obsession with wealth, resources, and outsmarting rival European empires.
As the decades rolled on, those small trading outposts quietly transformed into permanent power. Soon, the British flag flew over vastly different time zones, giving birth to a famous phrase you've likely heard before. They called it the empire on which the sun never set, because somewhere it was always daytime. At its absolute peak, this meant ruling over 400 million people, a quarter of the world's population back then.
But history proves that no empire lasts forever. The massive costs of 2 world wars quickly brought the giant system to its knees.
One by one, colonies claimed independence, shrinking the global superpower back down to its original, modest island border, proving that size on a map doesn't always dictate destiny.